So we're doing the timing belt, water pump, thermostat on this S8. So as you can see, we had to take off the front of the car, put it in service position. Bumper is all nice hanging out there. So what we did was we took everything off the front, accessory belt, all the covers and stuff. Before we took the belt off, we used our timing belt position tools. There's a bar that goes across here, and then there is a little plug that goes in through the side of the block to lock the crank, and that locked the cams in the crank in the right position. Then we took everything off. We put on new tensioner, new pulley, new water pump, and then since we have all this stuff off, we're going to place the thermostat, which I believe is in here, and then we can put our new idler pulleys on, put the belt on, and just start, confirm our cam and crank positions, and then start putting it back up. What ended up happening was I ordered a timing belt kit. They asked for a VIN number or a manufacturing date, and I think this car was built kind of right during the time that they did some changes, and so what happened was I got one of the idler pulleys was wrong. So they either come with a little boss on the end or without a boss, and so the ones that I had, or one of the ones I had, didn't fit, I think because of this mid-year change, and so I had to request some new parts, so I got kind of stuck at that point. And then winter came and it snowed and it's very cold out, and it's not fun doing this stuff in the snow. So first I'm going to take this off, because I believe you need to take it off to get to this right here, so we can put on the new thermostat. You got this one right there still. Okay,
There's the thermostat.
pops off.
So just pop it out, put a new one in.
Yep. Here's the new one. It's pointing up. It matters, but put that there. Chair kind of thing. Like, you know how they have those kneeling chairs? And then you can have like the pads, lean forward.
I think I've seen it.
Oh, really? Yeah, it's like hanging over a engine. It's like bending over for like hours. It's right on the old back. So when you put it on, these things can kind of spin freely, and then this tab is kind of what locks it. Yeah, so one of these came without that little boss on there.
What boss?
There's that metal piece that sticks out.
Oh, yeah.
So it's just the bearing, and so it basically when turning.
What are you doing? Just cleaning it up?
It's in the oil, the threads, and the mating surface of the bolt.
Okay.
So we can tighten. So it's going to be rubbing on there. Tighten it so it can still spin, but it's not going to tip or anything like that. I'll have to get this line back up. I'll get it aligned. And then do the tensioner. It's lined up. Okay. Make sure this one's similar. Yep. Okay, so that's
Crank pin. So it's a reverse thread. Yeah, set the stick. Put it back.
Down.
There we go. Some waters next to it. This might be what.
Thanks for watching our video. A full detailed tutorial is linked down below, and please check out our website, DIYauto.com, a website for the gearhead community to share DIYs, builds, and more. DIYauto.com, the ultimate gearhead encyclopedia.